So here at Globalworth, we are committed to be at the forefront of innovation and technology, essentially redefining the way we look at real estate ownership and management. So today we're very happy to have launched or relaunched, let's say, our lobby here at Globalworth Tower with a number of breakthrough technological innovations and initiatives. The first and foremost is the world's largest kinetic floor. Second, we have the longest screen wall in the region, as well as the largest green wall in the region as well. And last but not least, Pepper, our first robot employee. So last year, we achieved a very important milestone in our corporate development by becoming the largest office investor and landlord in the broader Central and Eastern European region. However, although growth will always be a very important focal point for us, what we decided last year is to set a goal and effectively redefine the way we look at real estate and create spaces to grow for our broader community of over 200,000 people. So we want to offer spaces where people can interact, innovate, learn, and promote professional development as well as personal well-being. And we're really committed to be at the forefront and break new ground in all these fronts.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.